Hello, my friends. Today we're going to talk about monetization on your longer videos, your live streams and that. Let's get on over here. On your main page, you're going to click right here on your photo. Go down to YouTube Studio. Okay, we're going to go over to, on the left-hand side, second under dashboard, content. Then from here, you can choose from videos, live, and so on and so forth. Going over to a live stream, because that would be a longer video. Let's go over to here, because this video was 5 hours, this live stream. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight. These will come up. Click on the monetization symbol there. And then what you want to do is slide down. What you want to click on is Manage Mid-Rolls. Okay, as you can see, this is where an ad would appear. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these. I'm going to delete the ads so I can show you how you put them on. Watch, as I delete, you'll see that line disappear, meaning the ad will disappear. So there is the delete. Now watch this here as I click this here. See there? That's how you remove them. When you first go on here, YouTube has placed the ads in different time sections here. To add one, the line will be right here. Here's that line of placement that you can slide. Okay, so you have that line right there. You're going to click pull the ad break plus. Now look here as the little symbol appears. You see that? And then you can come over here, place another one, place it, your line there, and then you're going to hit an ad break plus ad break right there. Then let's say I want another ad at the 2 hour. Let's say every hour, we'll say. Click it to lock it right there. Then you're going to hit ad break. So it's nice and equally separated, maybe every hour or so for an ad. Okay. You're going to hit continue. Then you're going to click save. Let's go back to it and see if they're there in the proper space. So there you have it. Oh, the reason why I'm sharing this is because sometimes what YouTube will do is they will place the ads close together. They may put too many ads, which will be very annoying to your viewer. Okay, so that is the way you can control where your ads are placed if you have a long video. I hope this has helped you. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Take care.